Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the lesson mensuration. Now coming to the area of general quadrilateral. See, what is general quadrilateral? The sides are not equal. The regular quadrilateral or regular pentagon means all sides are equal. So area of a general quadrilateral, area of a quadrilateral is equal to half into D, that is diagonal, into H1 plus H2. So D is the diagonal, H1 and H2 are the altitudes drawn on the diagonal from the two other vertices. So quadrilateral means four-sided figure, square, rectangle, parallelogram, the trapezium, rhombus, they are all the quadrilaterals. But they have some or the other property, like the square all sides are equal, the rectangle opposite sides are equal. So this the area of a general quadrilateral. Okay. Now the diagonals means what? The line joining the opposite vertices. Okay. So this AC is the diagonal. Now other than AC, B and D are the vertices. So from D and from B, the altitude, that is the perpendicular line drawn to the diagonal, that is called as H1, H2, that is height. Okay, so the formula is a half into D into H1 plus H2. Remember the formula. Find the area. Now coming to the example, find the area of the given quadrilateral PQRS. So figure is given, PQRS is a quadrilateral. So find the area. First write what is the shape? Quadrilateral. What are all given? D is equal to 7 centimeter. One height is H1, that is 3.5 centimeter. Other height, that is H2, is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Now write the formula. Area of a quadrilateral is equal to half into D into H1 plus H2. Now half into D is 7 into H1 3.5 plus 2.5. Half into 7 into 5 plus 5 10, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6. Cancel this 0. डेसिमल के बाद 0 रहेगा तो वैल्यू नहीं है. 2 1 जा 2 3 जा 6, 3 7 जा 21. Area, that is y centimeter square. So answer, area of the given quadrilateral is 21 centimeter square. Is it clear? Now coming to the example 5. The top surface of the raised platform is in the form of the shape of a regular octagon. So a platform is there, it is raised, and the top portion it is in the form of a regular octagon. Now I have already mentioned regular means what? All the sides are equal. Now find the area of the octagonal figure. So solution, write what is the shape. regular octagon. Now one side is given 10 meter, that means all sides are 10 meter. This is 10 meter, this is also 10, this is also 10, this is also 10 meter, 10 meter and 10 meter and 10 meter. So you have to remember, regular means all the sides are equal. So first we'll write regular octagon, that means all sides are equal. Therefore AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DE is equal to EF is equal to FG is equal to GH is equal to HA is equal to, how much is given? 10 meter. Now in the figure, GD is given as 22 meter. GD is 22 meter, therefore HC also is, HC is equal to 22 meter. Why? Opposite sides. This forms a rectangle. So opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. Now FQ is equal to 8 meter and PB is equal to 8 meter. They are all given. Now find out area of the octagon or the given figure is equal to, first it is in the center you get a rectangle. Here this figure is a trapezium. Again this is a trapezium, isn't it? देखो ये फिगर को अभी 3 पार्ट में कट किया गया है. ये सेंट्रल वन इज द रेक्टेंगल, ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. ये ट्रेपेजियम है, 2 पैरेलल साइड्स है, ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल. इधर भी ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल and the other sides are non-parallel. That is why trapezium. So we will write area of rectangle. What is it? GDCH plus area of trapezium. ऊपर का ट्रेपेजियम का नाम क्या है? EFGD plus area of trapezium ABCH. So write the formula now. The rectangle का formula क्या है? Length into breadth. Area of trapezium क्या है? Half into A plus B into height. और दूसरा ट्रेपेजियम का हाफ इंटू A plus B into height. ठीक है. अभी ये रेक्टेंगल का लेंथ कितना है? 22. ब्रेथ कितना है? 10 प्लस हाफ इंटू ए ट्रेपेजियम का एक साइड 22 है, दूसरा साइड 10. हाइट कितना है? 8. अभी नीचे का भी 22 plus 10. This is 22. This also should be 22. Into height is 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 ones are 2 fours are. Now 22 into 10, 220 plus 22 plus 10 is 32 into 4 plus 22 plus 10, 32 into 4. 220 plus 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 12. Now again 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So add, it is 8 plus 8, 16, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4. So you got 476 meter square. It is meter, so area is square. Answer, area of the octagonal figure is 476 meter square. Is it okay? So regular means all sides are equal. That you have to remember. Then find out the area. Divide the figure into, if it is not a quadrilateral, divide the figure into different shapes. So this one is a rectangle, this is a trapezium and trapezium, and put the formula, put the values and calculate. So hope you understood these two examples, isn't it? Because now we have to go to the worksheets. You are confident about the examples. Bye. Thank you.